right into it. So I'm going to face the back. You're going to do step, touch, step, touch. So it's going to be left, touch, left, touch. You're stepping forward with your right foot, touching with your left. So 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. We do 1, 2, 3. Quarter turn. You're going to do a quarter turn to your left. So again, it is 1, 2, 3, and quarter turn. One more time. Stepping on that right foot first. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and quarter turn. Good. We're facing a new wall now. You're going to do a slide, stepping on that left foot, then stomp, stomp. So sliding to the left, slide, stomp with the right twice. Stomp, stomp, slide again, slide, stomp, stomp. Good. Let's try the whole thing from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and quarter turn. And when we do the quarter turn, you're going to add a step touch. So again, it is 1, 2, 3, and quarter touch. Touching with that left foot, because you're going to step out to the side. You're going to slide. So you're going to slide, stomp twice with the right foot. Again, slide, stomp, stomp. Good. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and quarter touch. Slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp. Good. From here, you're going to do left, right. So again, left, right. It's like hop, step. One more time, left, right. So your heel, your right heel is going to be down, your toes are going to be up. You're facing the right, your heel is down, toes are up. So heels down. So again, it's going to be left, right, heels down. Ready, and left, right. Good. One more time. Ready, and left, right. From here, you're going to go to the left. And now your left heel's down, and your toes are up when you face the left. Then you're going to do right and left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the trick is, if you're facing the right, make sure your heel is down. If you're facing the left, make sure your heel is down. So that's the trick. So it's right, left, left. And if you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just do right, left, left. Just do a step touch. Step touch, right, left. If you want to add in the heel, it is right, left, left. Good. Let's go from the slide. We just did our step touch. Ready, and slide. Stomp to the right, stomp. 1, 2, left, right, left. So don't forget the left, right. Right after you do the slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp, left, right, left. Okay, moving on. We're going to do a step touch to our left. Step, touch with the right, then going to the right, step, touch with the left. We're going to make a half turn, right foot in front, half a turn, and then again, right foot, half a turn. Then we would repeat the dance, new wall, same dance. Starting with that right foot, we're doing a step touch. 5, 6, 7, and step, touch, quarter step. Slide to the left, slide, stomp to the right. 1, 2, slide. 1, 2, left, right. You're going to do step, touch, half a turn. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6 with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and quarter touch. Slide, stomp, stomp, slide, stomp, stomp, left, to the left, to right, and half a turn. Good. So after you do step, touch, your left foot's up. which makes it a little tricky, but you're gonna bring your right foot in front to do the half turn, half turn. Awesome. Let's do the whole thing with how fast it would go. So facing the back wall, and 5, 6, 7, and 3, quarter turn, slide, stop, stop, slide, stop, stop, left, right, left, and step, touch, half a turn. Good. So, there's a catch. There is some hat choreography. As you can see, I have a hat on. You don't have to use a hat. You can just do the dance without the choreography. I'm only going to do it for 2 walls when I do the dance with the full music. So when I do it with the music, I'm only going to do the hat choreography. Again, just 2 walls. The rest will just be the dance. So I'm going to show it to you. So grab a hat if you have one, or if not, just watch. I'm going to face you guys for this. So you're going to put your hand on your head, hand on your hat, and I usually do the right hand. Since we're stepping with the right foot, I put my right hand on my hat. So I go, you're going to have your head down. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, and quarter touch. Now you have your hand on your head. You're going to do the slide, stop, stop. So you're going to lift up your hat, and you're going to go out, going out to the right. You're going to slide, bring it in, stop, stop, bring it out to the right, slide, stop, stop. Good, so again, we just did 1, 2, 3, and quarter touch, lift it up, go to the right, stop, stop, right, stop, stop. So as I'm sliding to the left, I'm bringing my hat out to the right. So I'm sliding to the left, bring it out, stop, stop, bring it out to the right, stop, stop. And then from here, you're going to keep holding on to it. You're going to do left, right, and just kind of lift it up. So you're just kind of waving it in the air. Not really doing much, you just kind of lift it up like, hey, I have a hat. So let's go from the slide. So ready, and slide. Stop, stop, slide. Stop, stop, left, right, left. Then from here, we put it back on our head. We're going to do step, touch, half a turn with the right foot, half a turn. Good. I'll do it again facing the back. So ready, and 5, 6, 7, look down, 1, 2, 3, and quarter touch, slide, left, right, and left. To the right, and half a turn. Do it one more time. Make sure you're looking down for that step touch part, okay? With the right hand. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and quarter turn. Slide, left, right, and half. Step, half a turn. Good. Whoa, my arm is getting sore. So like I said, I'm only doing it on 2 walls when I do it with the music. The rest will just be focusing on the dance. Yeah, so that was it. That was Mr. Lonely. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're enjoying my videos. And I will see you guys when I have a new video. All right, bye.